Hello fellow N-scalers, this is Ron's Trains and More, back with another video here. I just thought I'd show you guys this Broadway Limited steam locomotive here. This is a Southern Railway, number 4501. This is the one that runs up at Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum in Chattanooga, Tennessee. But like I said, this is a Broadway Limited imports. This is this one's got the Paragon 4 sound and DCC in it with Rolling Thunder. That Rolling Thunder was actually kind of cool. That's a subwoofer you can buy, and this actually has a chip in it, and it's kind of like surround sound. You can check out all that on their website, BroadwayLimited.com. And they also have the manual PDF file on there you can check out for this locomotive. But it does come with a sheet here for all your sounds on DCC. Like you've got maintenance radio chatter, radio check chatter. It's even got farm sounds, lumber mill sounds. I mean, this thing, it's just got everything. This is a great engine. It's detailed well, sounds awesome. And you guys can pause that and take a look at it if you want. Now myself, I always like the dispatcher sounds. I always leave that on. I think it sounds cool. The defect detector and all that, it's really neat. You can even do the track sounds, and it's got a couple different whistles. Pretty awesome. But anyways, this thing, it's really detailed. I'll tell you, I've had some Broadway Limited engines in the past, and I had one or two I really didn't have much luck with, to be honest. I mean, I don't give an honest review here, but I tell you, this one here, this thing is absolutely perfect. It runs good, sounds good, it's detailed. They just knocked this one out of the park. Broadway Limited did an excellent job on this steam engine. But I mean, it looks and sounds just like the 4501, because I've been up there and been on the real one and heard it and everything. I actually have a video on my channel of me going up in that one. And the engineer is holding my camera and filming. If you guys want to check that out on my channel, Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum. But this is the green painted version. I don't know what year, sorry. I think this would be maybe 70s and 80s. But it's painted black now, and it's got 4501 written on the tender. But I always like this one. I think it's awesome. But like I said, this thing is really detailed. I mean, I've heard 4501 Mikados and things in O scale, and I'll tell you, this thing almost sounds better than an O scale locomotive in my opinion. The sounds of this thing are just ridiculous. It's awesome. They did an excellent job with it. But it's really detailed. It's got, your high mounted bell, a lot of separately applied parts. Whistle up there, all these side rods, and it's just an excellent engine. Broadway Limited did a great job on it. I got back into N-scale, and I tend to change scales a lot, but I finally found a scale I'm pretty positive I'm sticking with, because I mean, N-scales really came up. They've got a lot of nice stuff now, and I'm really enjoying this stuff. But like I said, I really don't have a lot of space, and this 4x6 layout right here would be absolutely perfect for N-scale. So I'm sticking with N-scale. It's a great hobby. They got some awesome stuff they make now, and the sounds are just top notch in N-scale now. This is awesome. But yeah, all this stuff in the middle here, it's going to come off. I just kind of got it sitting there for right now. I really don't have anywhere to put it, but I mean, it works for now. It actually is kind of like a view block. Kind of hides the train. But I'm going to move all that, and I'm going to completely detail this whole layout. I'm going to do the ballast and everything this time. Probably buy that Cato ballast, I don't know. Maybe some wooden scenics kind of, if I can find some will match that. But I want to do it all nice and neat. It's going to look pretty much like the old Clinchfield Mountains and stuff. A lot of Southern Railway, N&S, N&W, stuff like that. A little bit of modern stuff, but a lot of coal hauling. I'm going to have a couple mines on here is what I'd like to do, coal mines. Maybe the Walters New River mine, or that diamond mine would be cool. But anyways, back to the 4501. But anyways, here's the packaging. they packaged this engine really well too, I gotta say. I mean, you can see all the packaging in there. They did a good job on it. I'll show you guys the price here. Now, I didn't pay that. If you got a good hobby shop, you can get a good deal on this. But I actually got this on a trade deal. But the price on this one was $299.99. That's with Paragon 4 Rolling Thunder Sound DCC. But I don't know where that price is from, like what hobby shop. I have no idea. But like I said, you got a good hobby shop, you could probably get it way cheaper than that. But anyways, here's the end of it. There's the number 3992. And this is a USRA Light Mikado Southern 4501 with Paragon 4 Sound, DC, and DCC. But it's great packaging. They did a good job on that. And you can run this on DC or DCC. But with DC, you have to buy Broadway Limited's. They call it, it's a sound box you got to use with DC. You can find that on their website at BroadwayLimited.com. But anyways, let me show you guys, let me start it up here. Now, I will say this engine does run better on DCC, in my opinion, but it will run on DC, and it does run alright. But DCC, I mean, it's just sort of meant for that. In my opinion, it runs better. But I'm running mine with a NCE power cab. And right now I got it set on address 3. That's the factory address. I just haven't set it on 4501 yet, but I will eventually. Anyways, let me start it up here. As you can see, it starts up, no problem at all. Sounds good. The headlight should come on. Yep, there it is. Anyways, I'm start it up and back it up here. And the bell on. Back on to my Blueford Shop Southern Bay Window Caboose. Atlas Train and Passenger Cars, Norfolk and Western.
I noticed within a week that the release supplement really knocked out my sugar cravings. I don't feel the need to go to the store for candy or go.
Anyways, I'll get it moving out here. Let me show you guys actually a couple of the sounds here real quick. Do your options, bring up your extra functions here, and this wherever button you push acts as like from 10 to 19, you know, so this 6 would be like 16, so this would be like the yard chatter, I think. Wait, let me turn the bell off. Let me see here. Here a little bit. Sorry, just a second. I'll get it going here. Yeah, that thing sounds awesome, man. I just can't believe how detailed that is for a N-scale locomotive. It's just crazy. Looks pretty good with that Blueford Shop Southern Bay Window Caboose too. Sorry, just a second. I was actually trying something there. Alright, let me see here. Just a thing going again here. Alright, you should see the headlight start up and come on there. It's like a real one. There's the headlight. Now I gotta say, Broadway Limited did an excellent job on that headlight. It is extremely bright LED. It's just awesome. They did a good job with that. And you can see all the writing on it is legible. You can read it pretty well. Absolutely awesome. Great engine. I highly recommend it. But let me show you guys a couple of the sounds here anyways. So bring up options on your NCE. You can use your extra functions 10 through 19, and like 6 will act as 16. And this right here would be like the yard chatter, radio chatter, I think. So. I mean, how cool is that? Isn't that neat? Now, your CV for your volume, I think, is 133, and the volume will go all the way up to like 250. I think I got mine set at like 200. I'm pretty sure. Now, I think that I got this one on the slow speed step. I think that's 128. I'm pretty sure, but let's see. I'll do one more here. Let's see. And then you can do 7. This is like maintenance radio, I think, or something. That is so cool. I mean, that is so cool. It's even got a defect detector. Yeah, I highly recommend this engine. It's absolutely awesome. But anyways, I'll move it out here. Sorry, I like listening to those sounds. It's pretty cool. Got my 5-car Atlas Trainman heavyweight passenger set behind it, and my Fox Valley bay window caboose that I absolutely love. That right there is what got me back into N-scale, is that one caboose. Just awesome. But anyways, you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna let it run here a little bit, and thanks for watching, and remember, like, comment, and subscribe. So this is Ron's Trains and More, out. Couple on these cars here. I might actually have to give it a little bit of a hand here. There we go. The hand of God, as they say, maulers say. Anyways, you guys enjoy the video. I'll pull it up again here with the hand of God. Sorry about that. I'll get it running in just a second. Okay. Got a train going by my house outside, sorry. That'd be a little loud for a minute. Pretty cool living right by the tracks. You can probably see it out the window there.
Choice Home Warranty now and get access to a nationwide network of over 15,000 technicians and the latest appointment-setting technology, so you'll know when you're on your way. If I have an issue with an appliance or something around the house, I just call up Choice Home Warranty and I don't have to worry about that. So, good place on DIY did call Choice Home Warranty now. Something breaks down. Tell my central to get the first month free. Call Choice Home Warranty before it's too late. You get protection for your heating, AC, plumbing, kitchen, and laundry appliances, and more. Call for your free quote today. Call in the next 5 minutes and get your first month free. 800-913-5146. 800-913-5146.
Are you really trying to tell me you think you might have something to do with Mr. Prince Johnson, baby? The reason we get the line that we do on last night is he's really kind of a fellow. Maybe he figures she'd change her mind. Come back. Nobody knows about it. Last night he said he couldn't leave the house because he had to take care of you. Last night to his office and over here. A people very clean. Healthy. So he must have some reason for not wanting to leave his house. But come on. You know he has to go, man. At least that's right out there in the open. All right, anyway.
Anyways, I appreciate all y'all watching. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope I did a fairly good job at this review. So, I appreciate all y'all watching. Anyways, this is Ron's Trains and More. Out.